few postures which help us restore our ability to breathe in a diaphragmatic manner. We also refer to it as abdominal breathing or stomach breathing. We were all born to breathe diaphragmatically, but with the passage of time, slowly the habit patterns, the pressures of life, and not being aware of our bodies lose the ability, and our breathings become ineffective, inefficient, and shallow. The first posture is what we call the Makarasana, the crocodile posture. In crocodile posture, we don't have to make any special effort to breathe diaphragmatically because the posture itself supports only diaphragmatic breathing.